Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we got another Pokemon opening. And I got this one. Let's see what came in. We have this coin here. And we got Gardevoir V. We have this thing. This. Matt. Wolves. This thing. That code card. And that coin. Yeah, that's everything I got. Make sure you like, comment, share, turn the bell notification so you never miss another episode. If we get this video to 10 likes, I will do another video. So, thumbs up please. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. It's awesome. Never mind. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.